Amritha Aiyer sparkles like a world in white. Every picture is not just a display of fashion, it is a reflection of confidence, personality, and a kind of effortless charm that no stylist can create. Every picture is not just a display of fashion, it is a reflection of confidence, personality, and a kind of effortless charm that no stylist can create. Amrita Air exemplifies this beautifully. Her style transcends mere trends. It embodies her genuine spirit when she steps into the limelight. It is evident that she wears her outfits not just as a fashion statement but as an expression of who she truly is. Amrita Aiyer is one of the popular faces in the Tamil and Telugu film industries. She made her Tamil debut in the 2018 film Padai followed by her Telugu debut with Red in 2021. Since her debut, the actress has successfully carved a niche for herself in the hearts of fans. Besides being a remarkable actress, Amrita Aiyer is also recognized as a fashion icon. Her first film, Pedai Viran, is a Tamil drama released on February 2, 2018, featured her alongside Vijay Vasudas and was critically praised for its storytelling and performances. Recently, Amrita Aiyer starred in Bachala Mali, a 2024 Telugu tragedy drama where she shared the screen with Alari Naresh. In a recent Instagram post, Amrita Air shared a stunning picture of herself wearing a check outfit from at rate of as that level. The elegance of her look was complemented by her joyful demeanor, and she credited the captivating photography to at rate of G. Oshu Ama Amathu. The lightness of her attire combined with her radiant smile draws flowers into her style. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.